Hi everybody, let's put a smile on our faces. It's another episode of the Galactic Seabass channel. Today we are going to be making something. Let's check out what we're making. Spooky edition. Happy Halloween everybody. Tune into this episode as we learn how to make little DIY ghost dudes. It's fun, easy, and let's do it together.
Here's everything you're going to need. Tomato holder dude. Styrofoam balls. A big white sheet. Some kind of power source. Pretty lights. Black felt paper. And I'm going to use this orange felt paper for the highlights. Alright, let's get to it. Almost forgot. Super extra very important. You're going to need some glue. Zip ties would be preferable. I have rubber bands and some scissors. Alright, now let's do it. Alright, let's get started. So we've got a big styrofoam ball and a little styrofoam ball. You can do either one. Really doesn't matter. I just wanted a big ghost and a little ghost. So we'll start off with our little tomato holder. You can throw this guy in the top, like right there, and in theory it should stay. And then this is where the zip ties would come in, but in theory, I'll just... Ow! I just cut my eye. Ow. Okay. That hurt a lot. Let's try again. Oh, Lord Almighty, that one. Okay. Wow. That sucked. Okay. Whatever. Alright, as long as you can get some kind of like some kind of stabilization. There we go. And I still have my eyeball. Let's see if we can do this twice. Should be easier with the smaller one. Okay, cool. We got our basic little structure set up. And now we're going to need this big old sheet. I went to Joann's and just got 3 yards of some white sheet. So I'm just going to cut this in half and we'll see you when it's done. Alright, so now we got our 2 little ghostly sheet apparatuses. And what we're going to do is string the lights on this first, so that way when we're ready to throw the tarps over, the lights will already be good to go. And so we'll start off, I've got these purple lights, and I've got these orange lights. So you have the purple one to the little one, and the orange one to the big one. And I will see you again in a second. Alright, we've got our lights all set up. We've got our ghost heads ready to go. I've got a battery source, we're going to throw these tarps over. So let's go ahead and see what these look like. I'm sure my head is now cut off. And the headless horseman. Alright, let's see. Hopefully this is long enough. Cool. Yeah, we'll just like focus. Alright, our ghosts are coming together. Now we're going to go inside and cut this stuff up. Alright, let's do it. So my goal is to turn these into the ghost eyeballs. You know, the long oval shapes. And then this little orange one can be the pupil, so they can kind of look at each other. Alright, I will go ahead and cut these up. And I don't want to take too much of your time, so I'll see you in a sec. Alright, we did it. We got some eyeballs, and we got some pupils. And, well, I guess these are the pupils. This is the eyeball, and these are the... I don't know how eyes are formed, so here is paper that looks like eyes. Alright, now I dropped my glue. We're going to put this together and then go put them on the dudes. One more snap. Alright, we did it. We got some eyeballs, we got our little eyes, we got our big eyes, and we're about to go put these on the ghosts. Woo! Since these are styrofoam balls, I decided to use some little thumbtacks so I could just kind of poke it inside. Alright, that was fun. Now we just need to wait for nighttime to turn these guys on.
Hello and welcome back to the Galactic Seabass channel. Alright, it's time to check in on these bad boys. Alright, so far so good. So I should take this mask off. Alright, so I have an extension cord running from this into a portable battery underneath there. So in theory,
I'll flip this switch and we'll have power. Where's the button? Oh Lord. I can't find it. Oh, there it is. All right, let's do this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me turn the flash off. Yes. Glorious. Beautiful. Absolutely mesmerizing. Cool, we made some ghosts. All right. Rock and roll. All right, everybody. That was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of the Galactic Seabass channel. My name is Sebastian. I haven't came up with a name for the ghost dudes yet, so please feel free to leave it below. And thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the button below. And I appreciate you being here. Happy Halloween, stay safe, and I will see you again soon. Peace and love. Bye.